Hello loves and welcome to the channel. I'm truly Tara and here I do skincare, makeup, reviews, unboxings, that kind of thing. If you've never been here before, welcome, and if you have, then thank you so much for coming back. I wanted to make a quick video because I have had a really rough day today, but I got a new phone, which means a new camera. My phone went out on me. Trust me, I was not trying to have to spend money on a new phone, but luckily I have a wonderful hubby who acted like it just wasn't a problem at all to go get mom a new phone. But um hopefully I can learn to edit. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep going because this is like the 5th time that I've made this video. I've had such a bad day. It's not going to get better. Like the first 3, I started to cry. So I think I can make it now without crying, but I'm not. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep pushing. So the main reason that I'm making the video is because I wanted to test out the camera and the giveaway. I wanted you guys to know that instead of asking questions or a quiz, like we're just going to do you guys let me know, just say yes, I want to be a part of it. I'll give you guys like 5 days, a week, because I'm not going to be able to get it out until next Wednesday or Thursday. So you just let me know, yes, I want to be a part of it. I like skincare, but more than likely whenever I get the winner, we talk and then I figure out what you would rather have, skincare or makeup. So you don't have to tell me what you would rather have. We'll figure that out whenever you win. So yeah, just say, hi Tara, I want to be a part of it. That's it. Okay. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, ring the notification bell. You guys, it means everything that my channel is growing, but I would just love for it to keep growing. So if you do those little things, then it helps me grow, and I appreciate it more than you guys would ever know. Just every subscription means so much to me. You just don't know. You really don't. Because I never thought that I would make it to 150. I really didn't. So, okay. Well, we have Lurella today. I did this video last night. But like I said, the phone kind of did its thing. And so we're just going to redo this one really quickly. And everything's already open. So let's unbox this. All right. Now with Lurella, you get lots of lashes, and they have probably the best lashes. I personally don't do lashes, but I can just tell by the look of them that they are amazing. And then next I got not a little, great big sponge, which I am ready for this bad boy. Like, I like brushes, but maybe it might change me. Who knows? I mean, look at can you see? Like, it's just so cool. All right. Nothing like a box to put me in a better mood. Okay. So next we have these, and I have been dying to try these. So you put your finger through and you take your concealer, and especially whenever you start to get wrinkles, your makeup kind of falls into those lines. And you can take your concealer, which Fiera, I still have no idea how to say this. I'm excited to try this with this, because I really do think that it's like every morning I set and pat. And the concealer does a really good job, so I'm really excited about trying these with it. Okay, next we got us another makeup bag. I love that. It's different, and it's big. Like, it is the size of my head, so you can fit my head in there. All right, Next we have brushes. Like, dang. I love their boxes. Wow, they just, their boxes are the best. P. Louise and Lurella, man. They really have the box thing down. Okay, so next is Make a Wish, and I love this color. This is one of my favorite lip colors, and I use it daily, so I was glad to get another one of those. And then we got some hair clips. They are two different kinds too, so I'm excited to try those. And last but not least, a palette, which is called Falling For You, the perfect little fall theme or name or whatever. So that's the packaging. And then look at those beautiful fall colors. I do love it. Love those colors. I'll read you a few of the. Autumn is one. Autumn. Cuddle Weather, Forever, One and Only, and Soulmates. Mauve Queen, Passionate, Adoring, Tenderness, Devotion, LOML. I don't know what that means. I read that out last night and was like, what is like LOML? Love of my life. I just figured it out. Wow. Okay. Head Over Heels, Affectionate, Falling For You, and Honeymoon. So yeah, that is very cute. I was only going to read a few of the names, but once I started, it was like, may as well just keep going. You probably can't, yeah, see the little, isn't that cool? I just love Lurella. All right, so I finally made it through the video without crying. Like, I'm telling you, today was one of the worst days that I've had in a really long time. I never cry, so for me to cry, and I've cried multiple times, it was a bad day. So, I don't know, you know, work, just sometimes it's work, and things happen, and I don't know. I don't need to be discussing it on here, though. All right. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to end it there, and yeah, just let me know. Can you tell that I have a new camera? And what else? There was something else that I was going to ask of you. Can you tell that I got the new, not the background, just the new phone? And I don't know, I guess just, if you want to be entered in the contest, just say, yes, I want to be entered. Make sure you share so that way other people, you know that there is a giveaway. So, all right, I'm going to shut up now, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next. So, bye.